Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to stop Windows 10 notifications. Let's start. To disable all the notification in Windows 10, go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on System and then Notifications and Actions. Under the notification, click the toggle off button to stop Windows 10 notifications. To disable individual app notifications in Windows 10, go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Click on System and then Notifications and Actions. Under the Get Notifications from these senders, you get a list of the installed apps. Here you can select the app which you don't want to allow to send the notifications. To temporarily disable notifications in Windows 10, click the Action Center button on the right side of the taskbar. If all the options are collapsed, click the Expand, find the Focus Assist option, click the Focus Assist. To turn on Priority Only, you can click once more to enable the Alarm Only mode. Priority mode only display the notification of apps listed in the priority list. You can customize this list as well. Alarm mode will stop all the notifications in Windows 10, except for the alarm. You can right-click the Focus Assist option and go to the settings and then customize the Focus Assist settings. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.